I'm going to show you how you can get a cheap cotton candy machine that makes cotton candy like this and turn it into a cheap cotton candy machine that makes cotton candy like this. I have a couple plastic cotton candy machines like this. They're a lot of fun, and usually the first batch of cotton candy I make turns out great, and then every batch after that is just really this pathetic, hardly any cotton candy at all. And the problem with these is if you look at this spinning head and the side of the cotton candy machine, there's only about maybe an inch and a half or 2 inches, and what happens is the cotton candy will come out and it will stick to the wall instead of kind of flowing up. So unless you're like just crazy fast and it's not sticking, then most of your sugar is just going to stick to the wall. You'll still get some stuff, it's just not that great. So I was looking at commercial cotton candy machines and noticed one of the biggest difference is just that it simply has a larger ring around the cotton candy machine. So I went to the store and I got myself a tub like this. I drilled a hole in it and I've been using it ever since. It works really well actually. So when you look for a tub, make sure it's tall enough that it fits the cotton candy machine inside. Try to get it as wide as you can. It looks like this one is 25 inches long by 18 inches wide and 13 inches high, and I've really liked this size. When I use the tub, I don't put anything else on the cotton candy machine, so it's just like this. So then there's plenty of space between the spinning head and the walls of the tub, and using this method I get perfect cotton candy just about every time. The tub's really easy to clean because the sugar melts right off with water, and then you already have the hole in it, so you can dump everything out of the hole. And as an added bonus, I put all of my cotton candy stuff inside the tub for storage and for transport. So I'll put the cotton candy box in with the sugar and all the cones, and it works great. It's a really inexpensive solution to make a cheap cotton candy machine like this actually work well.